Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, after today's FOMC, again, mentioning inflation remains elevated, also mentioning that central banks remain, quote unquote, highly attentive to inflation risks. So again, we had a major pullback, a major sell-off here since now showing that we have possible fear of possible bank failures. Again, that is the watch here. Again, with our 8-day curling down here, looking to see if we do cross below our 50, looking like we will possibly cross below our 50. If we do continue on lower here, we will continue to be cautious, clearly to the upside, but we are looking for any possible bounce back above 440 going to this week. That is what bulls want to see. Any possible major gap up, major continuation back higher could be a possible break higher if we do break out of our lower highs that we have been getting. So again, this will be our break here. Breaking back above 445, in my opinion, could be that continuation back above 449 and that gap up to continue on higher here. So again, that is the watch. If we do get past 440, that is that short-term higher risk play for that certain play to the upside if we do break our lower high downtrend that we have here. So again, that's what we're watching out for from here. Again, after a major red candle, we are clearly cautious with our increase in sell pressure that we mentioned from yesterday. Clearly looking for our 12 to cross back above our 26 till we get that to happen. We are cautious to the upside. Again, with our increase in sell pressure, what we want to happen as bulls is to get that white shaded line, that continuation on decreases in sell pressure, so we can get that strength that we are looking for that bounce back above our 8-day and ultimately back above our 445. Again, our break on our lower highs here that we would be looking for. So again, that is the watch. If we get our 12 crossing back above our 26, we will be getting that confirmation to continue on higher. But from here, again, clearly cautious to the upside. If we get a possible bounce going into tomorrow from our prior wicks that we had to the downside, then again, looking for any possible gap up, any possible continuation back above 445 would be that continuation back higher. And again, that would be higher lows ultimately that we've had from a possible downtrend that we've been having. As you guys can see here, we could be testing possible support here. Now jumping into our weekly candle structure, again, as we drop just below our 8 weekly moving average, again, lower highs that we have been getting, very cautious to the upside that we have been looking for. Again, if we did possibly jump back above our 8-day, if our 8-day happened to have curled back higher, then we would have had that continuation. But from here now dropping below our 8 weekly moving average, mentioned we very much could be getting that rejection since we had wicks to the upside here, showing us that possible rejection now, showing us that we could possibly continue on lower and room to run to the downside here at 436. That would be that possible bounce back on our weekly candle structure. So again, that is the watch. If we possibly get an inside bar open, if we do bounce back and again break out of our lower highs that we have on our daily time frame, again, that would be that possible bounce back at 436 as well. So again, that is the watch. If we continue on lower, 436 is that possible bounce. And if we do have an inside bar open going into next week, then we have that possible bounce back, again, breaking out of our lower highs on the daily time frame. Now looking at our weekly strength here, again, increasing in sell pressure as we have been anticipating with our 12 dropping below our 26. We mentioned we are cautious to the upside for swings, mentioning again multiple times for the last week that we were cautious to the upside for this reason. Had our 12 still below our 26 until we did cross higher, we could not confirm that we were having any confirmation on our swing term momentum. Again, with our increase in sell pressure that we have been getting, looking for any possible white shaded line would be that possible bounce back on our daily candle structure. This is possible confirmation again on that bounce back if you are bullish in the market, if you're looking for that possible continuation back higher. Again, looking for any white shaded line to close here on our weekly chart is going to be that early signal for that possible swing term momentum higher. Until that does happen, again, you will not be late to a rally because you will be looking for that white shaded bar before you do look for that continuation on higher. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, pre-market news as early as you're going to find it, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you instables, again, a very nice pullback as we expected in yesterday's video. Now looking to see exactly how we do digest going into tomorrow, how exactly we close on the week, and how exactly we bounce back going into next week is going to be the watch. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.